Why are people protesting in Kerala? Thousands of people and PSC rank holders are protesting against the Kerala government, against the alleged backdoor appointment of employees in government jobs in Kerala's Public Service Commission. The allegation is that employees are being inducted without following the set procedures. While the opposition parties have been raising allegations of backdoor appointments, Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan has dismissed all such allegations. He said these allegations are baseless campaigns by opposition parties. Let me give you more details as to why these people are protesting in Kerala. Thousands of youths have come to streets all over Kerala to protest against the regularization of hundreds of government jobs. The reason for these protests is the regularization of hundreds of temporary government employee jobs in many government departments, self-governing bodies and state-run corporations who have alleged links with the ruling CPIM. As per reports, this increase in the regularization of temporary workers is happening at the cost of lakhs of job aspirants in various departments of the Public Service Commission in Kerala. Where did the problem start? So many government departments went ahead with temporary appointments even after the rank lists prepared by PSC were alive, as per the Indian Express report. The report says that several other state-run corporations and self-governing bodies carried on with their own appointments without bringing the selection to such bodies under the ambit of PSC. Reports suggest that around 1.50 lakh people have been appointed on temporary basis in different government departments and entities. Now, let me give you some details about how the government posts are filled. Kerala has around 5.28 lakh state government employees, and every year around 20,000 employees retire, leaving the posts vacant to be filled. In this case, the concerned department is supposed to fill the vacant posts with eligible persons from the rank list prepared by the PSC. But when no valid rank is live, the concerned departments can recruit temporary employees. And all the information about these appointments has to be given to the PSC that can start the recruitment process later on. But unfortunately, most of the time, these mandatory legal rules are bypassed to fill the vacancies with people from the ruling political parties on a temporary basis. These temporary appointments of employees of the ruling parties are extended from time to time, and that creates problem. As long as temporary employees continue to be in service, the PSC rank list appointment gets delayed and sometimes it even gets expired. Though the Kerala government has rejected any kind of political consideration in regularization of temporary staff. So is regularization of temporary employees a violation of the Supreme Court directive? Well, as per reports, the regularization of temporary employees is actually a violation of Supreme Court's directive. In 2006, in the state of Karnataka versus Uma Devi and others case, the Supreme Court had said that the equality of opportunity is the hallmark, and the Constitution has also provided affirmative action to ensure that unequals are not treated equals.